One of the biggest lies in the world is only do what you love. It's one of the biggest lies on earth. Only do what you love. Let me explain. An Olympic athlete trains to compete. They can train to compete at the highest level. They love their sport. But they don't love all the training. They don't love all the preparation. They don't love all the sacrifice. But the end goal, they love that enough that they're willing to go through the pain necessary in order to be able to do what is required to get their ultimate goal. Any strong person in any endeavor doesn't love every piece of it. That's where that lie got distorted. And here's what happened with a whole generation of people. I'm talking multiple generations of people in the last 10 years have been infected by this lie. And the lie is, well, I'm not having fun now. So they stop. Because every single piece of it wasn't just a walk in the park. So they stop doing the thing that will lead them to ultimate gratification, contribution and growth, purpose and meaning in the world. Important things don't happen just as a walk in the park. There's struggle that's connected, and the struggle is okay. It's important. So I will tell you, as an introvert, inviting was hard. I had to make a decision to do it. This was not natural. It never has been and may never, ever be. But I did it anyway because I wanted to get to the other side. I did it anyway because I wanted to connect with like-minded people and work with them and grow with them and build something important with them and help them. I wanted to be able to do that. So I came up with my own tricks to get past, this sounds hard. This sounds like a lot. This sounds like it's going to be scary. This sounds like, I came up with tricks. The trick for me was I did it in bunches to get it over with. Rip the Band-Aid off. I'd send out, today I would send 200 text messages in one day and get it over with. Schedule every appointment for the next 2 months. Be done. Rather than just do 5 a day, kill me now. I mean, it's just like forever. I can't do it forever. But I can engage in a campaign for a season. I could put those clothes on and I could do that. I could go invite. I can get past this thing. I can get past this pain, this fear, this anxiety, this paralyzing feeling, and just say, you know what? Damn it, for a week I'm going to do it. I'm just doing it. I'm not doing anything else. Don't ask me to do anything else. I'm just doing that. But I'm going to invite for 7 straight days, and that's all I'm going to think about. It's all I'm going to do. Invite. I'm ripping that Band-Aid off. I'm not going to just do one little thing at a time. Boom, it's done. In a week, I'll do what I wouldn't have done if you would have spread it out over a year. That's how I tricked it for me. That was my trick. Okay? I don't know what your trick is for you, but at some point you got to say, is your dream worth going through the pain of doing this or not? Yes. Is it worth it? Yes. All right. That's the moment that you grow up in this profession. The moment you say, okay, I'm done playing small. So here's my challenge for you. You ready for a challenge? Yes. Those of you watching this on your computers, on your laptops, on your phones, you ready for a challenge? This is only for big boys and big girls. Here's the challenge. Start today and do not stop until you've scheduled enough appointments for you to do 100 presentations. Do not stop. Do not stop. Do not look to the right. Do not look to the left. I don't care if those appointments take you one a day for 90 days or 100 days to be able to do 100 presentations. I don't know if you're going to schedule a plan to do 100 presentations in the next 12 months. I don't know what it's going to take for you. But I do know this. If you do that, your life will never be the same. If you do that, your life will change. And you can do it in bursts or you can do it in a long, slow drip. You decide what works for you. But here's the goal. Don't look right. Don't look left. Don't look up. Don't look down. Don't look at your results. Don't look at your check. Don't look at your downline. Don't look at your company. Don't look at nothing until those 100 presentations are done. No distractions, no lack of focus until those 100 presentations are done. Who's with me? Yeah? All right. The only other thing that I have to give you after you do that, teach other people. Teach them the same thing. Let them know that the fear should not be debilitating. Let them know that the gateway, on the other side of the gate, is not something terrible. It's something amazing. That people are good. That people are looking for opportunity. People will be grateful. And the work will be worth it. Do that. Teach that. And your legacy is assured.